French baguette and Chinese steamed bun. Which do you prefer?
你更喜欢吃 baguette 还是馒头？
Our family eat a lot of baguette and steamed buns. Both of them are staple food. Interestingly, both of them have almost the same ingredient, but because one is baked, the other is steamed, they come out so differently. Both of them are quite chewy. Baguette is crunchier and feels heavier in the mouth. Steamed bun feels lighter and softer. This is how the French carry their baguette, right underneath their armpits. An authentic French baguette should be crunchy and chewy on the outside and soft and light on the inside. The Chinese translation for baguette literally means a French stick, and to me it was really as hard as a stick the first few times when I tried it. It was really hard to bite on and my jaw hurts after chewing for a while. But now after living in France for 3 years, I really started to like it. In France, at least in our part of France, we like to have a small cold dish in the evening when no cooking is required. We eat bread with cheese and salad, and basically everything goes with a baguette. Just like traditional French baguette, Chinese steamed buns usually only have 4 basic ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and a bit of salt. Chinese steamed buns can be stuffed with various types of fillings or unstuffed. Those stuffed steamed buns are called as baozi in Chinese, and those without fillings are called as mantou, which sounds a lot like mantou. I remember once I said, mantou is ready, and my husband was like, who's mantou? So for one meal, I like to divide the dough into half. I make half of them into mantou and the other half as baozi with some kind of fillings inside. So the mantou is like the plain bread that goes well with any Chinese dishes. And baozi, my kids' favorite baozi, is called egg custard buns with the custard fillings inside. And this will be our dessert. My husband loves the baguette because he has been eating it since childhood, and that's the best bread he knows. No, this is Chinese bread. For me, the best bread is Chinese steamed buns. They're so soft and fluffy, and this is the taste of childhood and home.
What is that?
你更喜欢吃 baguette 还是馒头？
馒头。
Quay ra nhà 6 là baguette.
干
La baguette.
炸